too.
A pepper!
Now it's a pepper.
It's a pepper. Just don't pop that. Grandma jumps when
Whee!
you do that. Okay? And it's about time that we have to get ready to go.
Okay.
It does hurt your hands.
Don't do it, silly boy.
Elliot, why are you eating your
What is that?
viewer thingy?
Oh.
Why are you eating that?
Oh my gosh!
Make it so
Onion.
just what you want to do.
Onion.
Okay, you can throw that one out.
What?
You can throw that one out.
Why?
Pick that up.
Don't put it in
Pick
your
it
mouth.
up. Where'd it
Small.
go?
Because
Yeah.
it's small.
Yeah, if you want to.
I only got a piece
Don't put it on your
of
face if
it.
it hurts,
Honey,
sweetie.
pick it up. Did you just break one?
Yes.
All right.
I don't know where it is.
Okay, we need
Look
to
in the
find the
Tonka
rest
truck.
of it.
Mom.
Here
What?
it is.
Oh, there it is.
Is that it? Yeah, because Calvin will eat